Welcome everyone to the launch of CPA Marketing Mastery free traffic course. I've been working on this course for over the past few months now, and I couldn't wait until this day. And today is the day that I finally launch this awesome free traffic course. Now guys, most of you know that I love free traffic and I don't like spending money on ads. And this course is for everyone that are in the position that I was in when I was starting out. So I didn't have any money to spend on ads and I couldn't afford to lose any money at all. So I had to come up with free traffic sources that would send consistent traffic to my CPA offers. And here I am today launching this course myself. Now I put all my time and effort into this course in the past few months, and I put all my knowledge, everything I know inside this course. So guys, if you want a bit more information of the membership area, then scroll down on this sales page and you'll see a take a sneak peek inside section and watch this short 3-minute video. Or you can read this section, what's inside the course, and here are all the modules in detail. So guys, I can't wait for you to get inside and see how much value you're gonna get for the money. Guys, and I also shared my course with a few of my students, and as you can see here on screen, this person right here texted me, "Hey Damien, your course is awesome. I love the step-by-step content. It's easy to follow. Made my first conversion yesterday. This made me so happy." Then Richard texted me, "Hi bro, I got your course last week and already made $108. My first good money with CPA thanks to you." He also shared a screenshot. So this got me super excited as well. And then this is a few of my screenshots as well from MaxBounty. This is a legendary marketer commission. I made $1,350 in one single day. This is another person that texted me that he had made his first $1,000 with MaxBounty, and there's a bunch of more testimonials. So if you want to check that out, just scroll down on this sales page. So yeah, this course is awesome, and I also added 3 bonuses for all of you guys that do decide to join. I added Bing Ads Mastery training, huge value for the money. Bonus number 2, Instagram marketing made simple. So there's also a Instagram module inside the course. So I also gave you guys bonus number 2, Instagram marketing made simple. Now bonus number 3 is from my friend John O. Armstrong, the secret weapon. This is a full in-depth paid ads affiliate CPA affiliate marketing training course. So not only you get my course, my free traffic course, but you're also gonna get another paid traffic course for all you guys that are interested in that as well. So I added 3 bonuses for all you guys that are interested in joining. So there is absolutely huge value given here. Okay guys, so there's absolutely huge value for the money. Only $67. That is nothing compared to all of the other gurus charging thousands of dollars for their course, and then they end up giving you so little value for the money you pay. So if you're on the fence and you're thinking of purchasing, this is the time to jump in, because the course is only $67. It's at a 50% discount, and I'm also going to be increasing the price every 50 sales because this course took me a long time to put together. So guys, make sure to scroll through the sales page, read what you're going to get, what you're going to learn, and make sure to take action. $67, full CPA free traffic course plus 3 bonuses for just $67. I'm super excited and I can't wait to see you on the inside.